One's physique may be superb, one's concert likewise, one's reputation resplendent and renowned, and one's riches as high as Mount Meru. Yet if one's minds be not centered upon the lotus feet of Guru, what then, what then, what then, what then? Wife, wealth, sons, grandsons, and all such home and kindred. All these things may be there. Yet if one's mind be not centered upon the lotus feet of Guru, what then, what then, what then, what then? The Vedas with their 6 limbs and the knowledge of all sciences may be on one's lips. One may possess the poetic gift, and one may compose fine prose and poetry. Yet if one's minds be not centered upon the lotus feet of Guru, what then, what then, what then, what then? I am honored in other lands, and I am prosperous in my homeland. In the paths of righteous conduct, there is none who surpass me. Thus one may think. Yet if one mind be not centered upon the lotus feet of Guru, what then, what then, what then, what then? One may constantly extolled and one's presence highly honored by host of emperors and rules of this world. Yet if one's mind be not centered upon the lotus feet of Guru, what then, what then, what then, what then? My repute has traveled in all directions through my philanthropy and prowess. All the things of this world are in my hands as rewards for the virtues. Yet if one mind be not centered upon the lotus feet of Guru, what then, what then, what then, what then? The mind may have turned away from external delights to dispassion, and from attainments like yoga and meditation, possessions like horses and the like. The enchanting face of the beloved ensured the entire wealth of the earth. Yet if one's mind be not centered upon the lotus feet of Guru, what then, what then, what then, what then? The mind may have lost its charm to live in forest and likewise in the house, may have lost all desires to achieve whatever. Even the concern for the body welfare may have outlived. Yet if one mind be not centered upon the lotus feet of Guru, what then, what then, what then, what then? Hi everyone, hope you're doing good. Well, if I have to sum up about Guru, I would say that I have not seen God, but I have seen Gurus who have always believed me and always hold my back. Today, if I am something, I'm because of them.